Let's make a bird pen coloring book from the CALS Butler Center for Arkansas Studies Gould Vogel Collection of Japanese American internment camp art. Print out your coloring page by going to robertslibrary.org/Rohwer and make sure to print it out double-sided. Now get your crayons and color your birds. You can get creative and color them whatever color you want, or you can look at the reference images of the actual bird pens on page 7 of the coloring page to be more realistic. Once you've colored all your birds, it's time to assemble your coloring book. Using scissors, or the tear method shown here, split the coloring sheet in half. Make sure your pages are in the right order. Place the cover half face down and then place the other half on top of it with pages 3 and 4 showing. With your cover page face up, gently fold back the pages to fit in the stapler. Staple twice on the fold. Now your bird pen coloring book is ready to share with the world. Learn more about the incarceration of Japanese Americans during World War II by going to robertslibrary.org/Rohwer or by scanning the QR code on the back of your coloring book.